Here in ergonomics, we make one size for one. Once upon a time, there was a street vendor of accessories in Talipapa, Quezon City. For 2 decades of perseverance and ascent, right now, the story is about to end because the new chapter is about to start. So our beneficiary, Miss Maria Lourdes, we offer to you our vanity card. Together with us and our beneficiaries, where beauty meets sustainability. I am the magician behind this vanity card, where elevation mechanism is being found. I am one of a kind because I am the mastermind. Mabuhay ang gawang Pilipino! Mabuhay ang mga inhinyero! My name is Ryan Joshi A. Sapunto, ang Monica Bogabol Princess ng Group 3, number 1.
Presenting the 3G G1 Ergo Card. To understand the need for a redesigned card, it is important to look at their daily reality. For the past 5 years, she relied on a DIY card built from an old stroller, styrofoam, and a plastic frame. It low surfaces forced her to bend constantly, placing continuous strain on her neck, back, and shoulders. The unbalanced wheels wobbled on uneven pavements, requiring extra effort just to keep the cart steady. She experienced fatigue given her hurt condition. The galvanized iron frame is strong yet lightweight, making it easier for her to push. Galvanized steel sheet shelves resist rust and protect her items from the elements. The rubber foam handle provides soft, comfortable grip. Smooth swivel caster wheels with brakes give her stability on uneven ground, and rubber wheels Nanay Lourdes demonstrates the card, its practical features become evident. A spacious storage box underneath provides room for additional stocks and personal items. Each feature contributes to improved comfort